Are you tired of
using the pump or a nebulizer for getting relief from your asthma? Millions of asthma patients are addicted to the pump for life. Every physical activity, every ice cream, every change in weather, and they need to take the puff to breathe normally. And that normal breathing is also artificial. In today's video, I will tell you how to manage your asthma naturally and to feel free and breathe freely for life. Welcome to Freedom Clinics, which is pioneering natural treatments for all chronic conditions. At Freedom Clinics, we handle asthma in a unique way. Asthma is not as simple as an allergy phenomena or some chronic infection in your lungs. Asthma is deep rooted. It has affected your energy levels. Yes, friends, living energy is the new normal in medicine in modern times. We are energy, and everything that affects energy then affects the physical body. So, if you want to correct a problem, to heal a problem from its roots, you don't need to look under the microscope or do an X ray or do a blood examination, because that will give you the status on the physical level. But the problem is at the energy level. And that is the reason why energy based treatments like acupuncture, like energy medicines, are giving wonderful results for various problems. As an asthma patient, you will be interested to know how you can be free from your suffering. The answer is very simple. You will just need to know these 5 things. First, understand the constitutional role, why you have got your asthma. Second, understand the triggers, what really triggers your asthma, whether it is bad food, whether it's weather. Third, you need to know how bad your problem is, whether your symptoms are superficial or they are creating deeper pathology in your lungs. Fourth, how badly is it limiting your life? And 5, what kind of medications you are using and what are their side effects. Take stock of all these 5 points and then decide what will be your future. At Freedom Eye Clinics, we help you assess all these points and then give you a 5-star solution. We will help you decide which natural medicine is going to heal your constitution. We are going to give you special energy treatments that will balance the energy flow into your lungs and help you reset your breathing abnormalities. Then we will help you with the nutrition that is going to counter the allergies. We will show you energy based exercises that again will help you develop immunity, resilience, and give you the strength to fight this problem. And lastly, we can train your mind, because ultimately the mind is what controls everything. In modern times, most chronic problems are not solvable because the mind factor is ignored. This 5-star approach has the potential to give you the freedom from your lifelong suffering. And just 3 visits are enough to heal your problem. Most of our patients find permanent results in 3 visits, provided they follow our instructions well. Friends, asthma can be managed well. You don't need to suffer. You don't need to take lifelong medication. You just need to understand your body, understand your energy, and understand the roots of your illness. And then you can be free. Think about it. And if you need any further information, you can refer to our brochure for full details of our asthma program. This brochure is available through the link given in the description of this video. Thank you. If you find this video useful, please share, please subscribe, please like our channel so that others can also benefit from this information. You can check out all the other videos that have already been posted. Thank you.